Yahoo! Hello, hello, hello mga masters at mga kadshi! Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning po sa inyong lahat dyan sa Pilipinas at sa buong Asian countries. At kung sama kayong lapalop ng ating daigdig, ay hayaan niyo muna kami ni Chi na nagre-relax-relax ngayon, the green girl, kitty patuti iguana, na batiit po kayo ng good morning, good noon, good afternoon, good evening, at kung dahil na po sa mga ready na matulog. At welcome naman po sa ating third day. Third day na po ng ating episode ngayon. And we're discussing about, of course, 5 simple rules for amazing health. Ayan po. So number 3 na po tayo mga masters and mga ka-G. And of course, happy Sunday po sa inyong lahat dyan. And Sunday po ngayon mga masters and mga G. Ako po ay magre-remind sa inyo. Please don't forget to go to church, of course, or you can read the Bible, or you can, relax, of course, family day, Sunday. And of course, meron pong premier marathon naman po ang Paikulitan, and Master Worm will not be hosting today. And siyempre, babatiin muna natin nating sis Lady Gings sa kanyang birthday. Ayan, celebrate siya ng kanyang birthday, and of course, yung kanyang 4-year anniversary po sa YT World. Congratulations. Ako po mag-assist muna kay Sis Gings. Siyempre, para po, tulong-tulong muna tayo sa kanya. So, I won't be hosting today sa Bahay Kulitan. And, but we still have our premier marathon. So, we still continue. And, pero ngayon, dito muna ako, tutulong muna ako sa ating Lady Gings na magsa-celebrate ng kanyang birthday. Anyways, let's proceed po before we continue with our third topic, which is connected po sa 5 simple rules for amazing health. May I ask for your thumbs up. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe dito po sa ating channel, Master Worm, para you are always updated sa ating mga happenings dito sa ating channel. Of course, number 3. Ayan na po mga masters and mga G. Let's proceed po sa number 3. Sleep like a baby. Ayan po si G natin na sleep like a baby. Parang baby talaga si G natin. At ayaw gumalaw. Bakit? Hindi ko alam kung bakit ayaw ni G gumalaw ngayon. Okay? So, sleep like a baby po. Yan ang ating topic. Number 3. Ayan. Mag-spray muna tayo kay G kasi parang na-bored na po si G natin. Sleep is very important for overall health. Sino ba sa inyo dito yung naniniwala? Mag-spray ako kaya mag-spray muna ako sa G natin. Okay? So, sino ba sa inyo dito naniniwala sa kasabihan na sleep is very important for overall health? Inom muna ng G natin ng tubig. Gusto niya po yung tubig. Okay, so, and studies shows that sleep deprivation correlates with many diseases. Ayan po mga masters at mga ka-G, ang mga deprived po sa tulog ay malaki po ang chance na magkakaroon po sila ng different or mga health problems. Ayan, so kailangan po talaga natin ang sleep mga masters, no? 'Di ba? So, including obesity and heart diseases. So, kasama po dyan. Okay, so, sleep deprivation talaga correlates with many diseases. So, ano mga diseases? Dami po yan. Yung obesity at saka heart diseases is also part of it. It is highly recommended to make time for good sleep. Kailangan po talaga ay may schedule tayo. We have to make sure that we have a regular time para sa pagtulog. Ako po, honestly po mga masters, akala niyo po di ako natutulog Ayun, nagkataon lang po na yung oras niyo dyan, iba sa akin. And I sleep a minimum of 6 hours. 6 hours talaga ang minimum ko mga masters. Okay, so ang 6 hours na yan, and I am a fast sleeper. Pag ako'y natutulog, tulog talaga ako. Once nakahiga na po ako, mabilis I can reach the deep sleep level. And because I've been discussing about this. We have 4 stages of sleep. So we have stage 1, stage 2, stage 3, and stage 4. We're in the stage 3 is one of the most important stage that we have to reach in order for us to undergo the cellular repair, which is the non-rapid eye movement 3. Ayan, so dyan po yung mga organs natin ay talagang magre-repair. So I usually hit that fast. I can feel that because konting pikit ng mata ko ay alam ko na po ay tulog na talaga ako. Deep sleep talaga ako or non-rapid eye movement. Aabot ko talaga yan. I can reach that fast. So that's why even though I only sleep 6 hours, I know that I really get good sleep because I wake up really refreshed. Hindi po talaga ako napapagod, di ba? So, and plus, I take supplements and I also, go out and expose myself to sunlight, so which means that I pretty much doing whatever I preach, I do it. So, siguro yung kulang ko lang dyan is, siyempre, yung pagkain ng complete talaga everyday kasi syempre pag kami ay nasa work, alam naman po natin pag dito tayo sa US is medyo dami po mga trabaho na kung minsan we don't really expect it to happen and all of a sudden po ay magiging mapuno yung clinic namin, nagiging maraming clients, so I will be able to do my meals right on time. So but of course, as much as possible, I try my best and I try my best also to share whatever I learned because those are the most important things to do. Share what I have learned, and because of my experiences, I'm so confident to teach you all of this because I don't teach if I don't practice this. If I don't practice all of this stuff, I teach because I have experienced them personally and I see a big improvement. And of course, I also see improvements on our patients or to our whatever health problems our patients have. Once they change their bad habits, they start recovering fast. So I am very happy to share this to all of you because this could change your life, right? So I hope you guys agree on my concepts. So it is very highly recommended to make time for good sleep or time for good quality sleep. If you can't seem to sleep properly, there are several ways you can try to improve it. So there's a lot of ways to improve your sleeping ability or your to improve if you have a problem with sleep or sleeping. Number 1, mga masters and mga ka-G, is don't drink coffee late in the day. Okay, so alam naman natin yung coffee contains caffeine. And here, honestly, mga masters and mga ka-G, if you're if you know about chemicals, I know that this will not you won't be able to you will if you're connected to like chemistry or you have a big idea about chemistry, you know that caffeine is really a chemical that makes you alert, and caffeine is one of the important or one of the highest ingredient found in coffees. So but our brain is so powerful. It's so powerful, mga masters and mga G, that even though you drink decaf coffees, kahit umiinom kayo ng decaffeinated coffees, still your brain interprets coffee as coffee itself, which means that coffee, regardless whether it's caffeinated or decaffeinated, the brain will still process and will still understand that as coffee, which the moment you drink your cup of coffee, your brain will already excrete or will already stimulate your body cells, your everything in your system, your organs and your brain will start producing energy. And but mga masters, honestly, this is what happens because the brain is so powerful that it automatically interprets coffee as caffeine. Even though you don't have caffeine, even though it's decaffeinated, still the brain will stimulate your organs because it's like it already anticipated. So that's the right term, the element of anticipation. So the brain is not surprised that you drank coffee. The brain anticipated that you are drinking coffee. That's why you will have energy. So before you even drank your cup of coffee, your brain excitedly, emits or stimulates your organs already to produce energy. So meron na pong energy na lalabas. And unfortunately, if that energy is only coming from the caffeine, especially in the morning, So unfortunately po, walang nutrients po dyan. It's just caffeine. So it will artificially give you energy. Wala naman siya nutrients. Okay, number 2, try to go to bed and wake up at similar times each day. So have a routine po. Don't sleep too late. Don't wake up too early. So whatever happens, try to have a routine. Try to wake up similar times each day. So whatever time you sleep, try to wake up the same time in the morning. Ako po, ganun po ako. I have my own body clock. Okay? So sleep in complete darkness. Yun po yung pinaka-importante. Try your best to turn off all the lights, the night lights, and of course, if you're near a window, try to have your blocking curtains, your black curtains. Okay, so your thick curtains. Dim the lights in your home a few hours before bedtime. Dim nyo na po ha. For more tips on how to improve your sleep, check out other articles dito po sa YouTube or syempre sa Google. It may also be a good idea to see your doctor. Sleep disorders such as sleep apnea or very common in many cases easily treatable. So may mga apnea, nagsastop po yung kanilang sleep or breathing during sleep. Say summary, getting quality sleep can improve your health in more ways that you can imagine. You'll feel better both physically and mentally and lower your risk of various health problems down the line. Ayan, very important po ang sleep. Again, kita-kits tayo mamaya sa ating premier marathon sa Bahay Kulitan and of course sa birthday celebration po ng ating Lady Gings. Birthday/YT anniversary. So for now, this is G, the green girly cutie patuti iguana, and your one and only Master Worm. Happy Sunday. God is great. Yahoo!